Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a video on Likee app. So if you've recently joined the Likee app and are looking forward to making a video but do not know where to start, this is the video for you. Simply first of all, go to Likee app. As you land on your Likee app page, you will see that in the bottom row, you have three options. Amongst that, choose the option in the very center that shows a video icon. As soon as you tap on that option, here you can see that there are different options available that says Super Mix, Photo, Video and Live. So here, since I'm trying to make a video, you can simply set about a timer for the video. You can also control the speed of the video, make up the ratio of the video, turn on the beauty mode, also add different kind of filters while shooting the video. So here, I'm just going to start the video. And then once you're done making the video, simply tap on the tick mark, the pink tick mark that you can see on the bottom right corner. And here, as you can see, your video can be enhanced by using different forms of other filters. You can edit the filter, you can touch magic, you can add effects, you can add time magic, subtitles, cover, filter, and anything that you want. You can also select the cover by dragging here, and then you can also enter a text. So I'm just going to enter a simple text. And then tap on the tick mark. And then tap on next. You can also save this video as a draft or you can simply post it. Here you can write down a suitable hashtag or simply a caption. Here, as you can see, I've added a hashtag. You can also add your friend here. You can also make it either private or public. Here I'm just going to make it very private. And then you can also give various forms of permission, whether you allow the video to be duetted with, whether you want others to save the video or comment on the video. And then also tap on save on device if you want the video to be saved on device. So here I'm just going to post it. So it is in this way that you can simply make a video on Likee app. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.